Here's our next exponent rule, which is the power rule. And it says if m and n are positive integers and a is a real number, then a to the m, all being raised to the n power, would be the same thing as saying a to the m times n power. Now, kind of a simpler way to look at this is when you've got a power raised to a power, you would multiply. Power to power, you multiply. So let's look at why this is. Let's say here that we had an x squared and we were going to cube that. Remember, what it literally means to cube something is to take it and multiply it to itself 3 times. So that would be x squared times x squared times x squared. Now, each one of these x squareds can be really written as x times x. So I could do that for all 3 of those. And then remember, we're multiplying each one of those things together. So I'm actually multiplying x to itself 6 times. So that would be the same thing as saying x to the 6th. Now, if I had used the rule, then I would have said power to power, you're supposed to multiply. So that would be 2 times 3, which would be x to the 6th. We'll end up getting the same thing. But this is why. Now here, I don't want to do this long drawn out version. I don't want to multiply x to the 9th to itself 4 times and then break down all of those x's when I can just use the product, or the power rule rather. That says a power raised to a power you would multiply. So 9 times 4 would be 36, just like that.